You had to mount the Rola brand cage or cargo basket, however you want to call it. Goes on top of your crossbars that I showed you how to mount in a previous video. This is the old one that came off my 2006 Grand Cherokee, so I'm gonna just throw it up on this one for now. Being out by myself, is I just threw it on top, letting it sit on top of the crossbars for now. Okay, after you have it centered on the crossbars and where you want it to go, I have it centered front to back. I have it measured from here, from right here to this right here, to the end cap at 3 inches all around, front and back, okay? These are the mounts to mount your cage down to your crossbars, okay? This piece here is gonna go over the bars on top, on the basket, okay? This piece here sits on top of this bracket like that. There's two squares right here. Squares go inside the notches, okay? This goes underneath your crossbars, okay? So this is underneath. You got your basket. This goes over the basket. You got your two nuts. Screw the nuts on, which basically clamps down like that, holds the basket to that, and this goes to the crossbar. So you're just making a sandwich, okay? I'll show you when it's on the Jeep what it looks like. So this is basically what you're looking at right here, okay? You're gonna wanna mount these as far to the side as possible, okay? See, it's over the cage. There's the lower half, and that pulls up as you tighten it against your crossbar. You're tightening these up, doing both sides, both nuts at the same time. You don't want one cockeyed. You don't want the screw coming through all the way, the bolt coming through all the way on this side, and this side's loose. So you want even on both sides. Do them at the same time. As tight as you can get it with your hand. Okay, you got it off both sides clamped down, as you can see. Tight, you shake the whole car with it. Got a little imperfection, that's because it sat in the shed for a long time. No big deal. There's your clearance from your shark fin antenna. Okay, it's not gonna cause no interference. I mounted it like this so I can have the basket as low as I can to here, because I don't want it sticking way up in there looking ugly. More toward the front. So I don't want no interference with the antenna, because on top of this cage I'm gonna throw my spare. And I want more of the weight over this side, okay? Closer toward the crossbar. If you have any questions about the way I mounted it. There's your walk around. So it looks like mounted on. Three-quarter view, front view. What it looks like perfectly centered. I'm going 60, let's bring it up to 65. 65 miles an hour. There's the windows down. You don't hear no whistling. You don't hear no air rushing through. As quiet as that is, stop. Without the crossbars or without the rack, the roller rack. In case you had that question on your mind. Okay? Take care, fellas. Like I said, questions and comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody. If you have any concerns or any tips or any video requests, you can leave them in the comments section, and I'll do my best to get you answers or make a video showing you it. Okay? Take care.